we have this beautiful exponential equation here. So we are looking for the value of x. So what are we going to do here? Now from here, if I must get the value of x, this is what I'm going to do. Now I can rewrite this as having 2 to the power of x. Now multiply by 2 to the power of 2. That is from the law of indices. Then plus 2 to the power of x, then equals 5 divided by 16. So now from here, the next thing I'm going to do here is that when you look at these two terms of the left hand side of the equation, we can see that 2x is common. So I'm going to factorize 2x. Now inside there, I'm having 2 to the power of 2, so which is same thing as 4, plus here we have 2 to the power of x, which has been factorized. I have it. So this will remain 1 equals 5 over what? Over 16. So now from here, the next thing we are going to do here is that, 4 plus 1 is what? Is 5. We have 2x multiplied by 5 equals 5 divided by what? 16. So now from here, we can see we have 5 here and we have 5 here. So this and this can be cancelled out when you divide both sides by 5. So therefore, this is going to be 2x then equals. Now here, I'm left with 1 here. So this is going to be written as 16 to the power of minus 1, right? That is from the law of indices. So from here, we have 2 to the power of x, okay, equals. Now I can rewrite this 16 as 2 to the power of 4, and we are having this minus here. This power will multiply this minus is going to be minus 1. So now, as we can see, we are having the same basis. So therefore, this implies that x equals minus 4. So we have x equals minus 4 to be the solution to the problem. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share to your colleagues so they can learn from it. Bye bye.